Good evening. We provide access to digital trading flow where we disseminate financial data real time to provide actionable insights for educational purpose using live streaming technologies. Follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account and teach you how to analyze real time data so that you can trade effectively in the markets. This is the standard disclaimer. And for the agenda today, we would be discussing Nifty multiple time frame analysis as well as a weekly view for next week as well as what is likely to happen on 7th September. We would also be analyzing options open interest. We would be seeing the overview of straddle charts as well as we would be discussing our watch list for Monday, that is 7th September, and I will also show you how you can access digital trading flow for free for 12 months. So let's begin. Let's start with multiple time frame analysis of Nifty 50. As you can see, this is the yearly chart for 2020. You can see over here we opened at around 12,202, and so far this is a red candle, which means that bears are in control. If we analyze the quarterly candle, here we will see confliction with yearly chart, because over here we had an inside quarterly candle and a break to the upside, and over here you can see that it's a green candle, which means that quarterly candle time frame participants are in opposite view of our yearly market participants. This is our quarterly participants. Now we will see monthly candle. We will see that on the monthly we are trading below the open, which is 11,464. So which means for us that right now, as of this moment, the market monthly time frame is in control of bearish participants or sellers. Order flow is more dominant than buyers. And we will analyze our weekly time frame now. We can see weekly it had an outside bar and we opened at around 11,777. So on this time frame also, it is the candle closed in the red, which for me means that this weekly time frame was in control of sellers. If we see the daily chart, it again shows that market was in control of sellers. So right now we can see from multiple time frame analysis, out of the 5 time frames, yearly, quarterly, monthly, weekly, daily, almost all time frames are in control of sellers except for our quarterly time frame. So with that analysis, we can have a bias towards the selling side for the next coming week, because if market opens the week and trades below its open, in that scenario 4 out of 5 time frames would be under the control of sellers. So it would be at that point of time contrarian trade to bet on the long side. So the high probability trade would be towards the downside, as multiple time frame candlestick participants would be predominantly towards the selling. And now we will analyze the option data. We can see from options data that the max pain is at 11,400 level, which means that 11,400 level is the level in which option writers are going to suffer the least amount of losses, and on expiries there is a high probability that market may expire near about the max pain levels, but we have to also be careful because these levels also shift as per the trading days depending upon the market. Here we can see that 11,000 puts, almost 20 lakh puts have been written, which may act as a support, and we can see over here 11,500 puts, they would be acting as a resistance. So in a broader range we can say that Nifty is likely to trade in 11,500 to 11,000 range. And here we can see the straddle charts. 11,500 is currently at 238 and 11,000 is currently at 415. Market is around 11,350 over here. So if market starts to move towards 11,000, then these straddles will start falling, and these straddles upwards of 400, 500, these will start to rise. Whereas if these straddles from 11,300 to 11,000 start rising, and 11,500 to 600, 700 they start falling, it would provide us a hint that market is going to trade upside. And there's max pain is at 11,400, so there is a high probability that market may expire near about 11,400 level in this coming week. So if we see the 11,400 straddle, it is currently trading at 219 approximately. So straddle needs to trade above 237. In that way we would be sure that market is going to make a large trending move. Otherwise, if we break the low, previous day low, which is the Friday's low, which is approximately 217, then there is a likelihood that market would remain sideways and choppy, and if this straddle breaks the previous day low. So we would have to see what happens on Monday opening. And next we would be discussing a watch list for next week. My stock watch list for next week is Jubilant Foods, Tata Consumer, Tech Mahindra, as well as Torrent Pharma. And now we'll see these charts. Torrent Pharma, we can see monthly it is looking bullish because price is currently above its open. On weekly, we based on price action, we broke previous week low, we are down over here, but market recovered and it has started going up. So there is a high probability that this inside candle may break up to the upside and go towards 2,900 levels over here. But since it's an inside candle, we have to be prepared for downside price action as well. So we would have to see what happens on Monday, but most probably this is going to break to the upside, and if it breaks to the downside, we would have to see and trade according to price action. We'll see Tech Mahindra charts over here. On monthly, it is in an uptrend. Price is above its open. If we see the weekly chart, it is again in an uptrend, although this week we traded below the open and closed below the open, so that's why the candle is red. But otherwise, if we can see over here, the trend is still intact. It is higher high compared to this candle. It is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and this there's a probability that it can above 759, it can break to the upside and go towards 775 levels. But since it's an inside candle, we have to be ready for downside trade as well, because it's an inside candle, which means that buyers and sellers both are in control at this juncture. We'll look at Tata Consumer. You can see over here it's in a clear uptrend. On weekly, we had an outside bar, and on daily chart we have an inside candlestick. Right now it is at high, so there's a probability that it may face exhaustion risk, and we may break the low of 566 and we may trade towards this level, which is 548, but we have to be prepared for an upside move as well above 588 because it's an inside candle, but most likely it may trade down, but we have to be flexible. And when it's come to Jubilant Food, we can see it's in a clear uptrend again on the monthly as well as on weekly. On daily, we had an inside candlestick. Again, it is at highs, so there is an exhaustion risk, and buyers and sellers both are in control. So there's a probability that it can break below 2225 and we can trade below 2210, potentially towards level of 2150. But since it's an inside candle, we again have to be flexible and trade the break to the upside, and we can above 2297 we can go towards the highs. And if we analyze Nifty chart for this weekly candle, this is weekly candlestick of Nifty, and we can see over here it's an outside bar, and probability of Nifty for next week, as we have discussed based on open interest, is 11,000 on the downside as well as border range 11,500 on the upside. And this is our analysis on daily charts. Above 11,000, if we open above 11,333, we are likely to trade upwards toward 11,500 level, which is again, as per the open interest of options, a resistance level. And below 11,303 we are likely to trade towards 11,184, and based on options data, 11,000 is the level which is likely to act as a support. And now I will discuss how you can get 12-month free membership towards Digital Trading Flow. You can log on to www.digitaltradingflow.org, and if you click on pricing, you will see that Digital Trading Flow will be launched on 14th November, which is Diwali, and we would be broadcasting our own live trading on YouTube. It would be free for everyone from 9:15 to 10 a.m. and live stream would be private for rest of the day from 10 to 3:30 p.m. And if you to get the 12-month free subscription, you would have to click over here, which is my referral link, and you would have to open an account with Samco, and you would get 100% brokerage cashback for 1 month, and you would also be getting access to Digital Trading Flow for 12 months free of cost. You would be able to get this 5 hour plus private content for free for